So now if you try to call the paste image onto another, you are going to get an error. And let me show you why you are going to get this error and how to fix it. So if you run your script, you are going to get an error here that says name error, generate image name is not defined. So why is that? Why do we have this error and how to fix it? Well, we do have this error because we called the generate image name from inside the class without using the self. Whenever you call a function from inside the class, you need to use the self dot and then the name of the function. So here you need to say self dot generate image name, and you need to do the same to all of these calls, self dot generate image name. And also we need to create a constructor. So here I'm going to say def and then double underscore and then init and then double underscore, and then here I'm going to say super, and then I'm going to pass the class name, mypillow, and then comma, and then self, and then I'm going to call the init. And don't worry about all of this. This is just kind of a housekeeping stuff. You need to do this in order for your code to work successfully. And also here for all of these functions, we need to pass the self as the first parameter, self, and here self, comma, and then here self, and I'm going to do the same to all of these functions, self, and here self, and we have a couple more functions, self and self, and we are done. Let me try now to call the function one more time and see if it works or not. So we have this as well, self, and finally we have here and here. And also in the constructor here I'm going to say self, don't forget to pass the self, and then let me here run our script and make sure that the syntax is correct here as well. Now if you run your script, it should work. As you can see, it worked and we have this image. So it worked. So it's very important to make sure that your syntax is correct. It's very, very simple, but it requires some kind of a double check in order to avoid all of these errors.